Check out the Sustainability Expo Europe October 1st and 2nd in Amsterdam. 500 plus expert speakers. Use a code SESUSTAIN20 at checkout. Get 20% off. But there are positive and negative influences that you have to have them guide through, right? I mean, it's not always positive for stakeholders or shareholders to see a firm investing in ESG, right? It's not always a positive thing, right?
Well, I think that there are some short-term um, constraints, or you could say some short-term, um, say this, kind of, it's not that it's short-term risk, because it's short-term, things you're giving up in order to put into practice, an ESG
Okay.
sustainability portfolio. So, I think one of the biggest things I work with clients on as they look at ESG and sustainability is really shifting their mindset from a short to a longer term horizon. And so you put in place some of these ESG and sustainability, practices and you could say frameworks into your business or to your fund. And yes, immediately there might be some costs, right? There might be
Yeah.
some upfront costs that are associated with it. But you have to then shift your thinking to more of a medium and a longer term, viewpoint. And I think in particular, that's a struggle in the United States, right? We're so hooked on, quarterly results of big public companies, stocks going up and down, all of that. I think parts of the rest of the world are a little bit better at looking at medium and long term. Um,
Yeah.
and so, yeah, you might take some hits to your bottom line,
Yeah.
in a 3 to 12 month period, or maybe even a
Which is
little.
forever in the US economy. That's forever. 3 to
That's
12.
right.
It
That's
is.
forever.
Yeah.
People are not very patient here, and the
Yeah.
work I do is really global, so I see those types of cultural differences very clearly.